What's up, everybody? It's Mike from MJF Invest. I just wanted to do a quick video about a ticker that I found just this past week called Pure Storage, ticker symbol PSTG. What Pro Storage is it's a company that's in the data storage industry. Now, I won't sit here and pretend that I understand this industry inside and out. I don't, but I can conceptualize it quite a bit. I do know that you know, computers and you know, the internet, Wi-Fi, you know, all that stuff, all these programs, all these applications that run require data to run, and they require data at fast speeds. At the moment, IBM and Hewlett-Packard, they kind of led this industry up until now. They run a disk-driven business. You know, it's disk-driven, magnetic, you know, like, you know, floppy disk, you know, blah blah blah. Kind of like the old school way of doing it. And with the way things are going, and I read in 2021, 75% of enterprise applications are going to be AI driven. And why that's interesting is because Pure Storage has a product called Flashblade. And Flashblade is the only current product that can produce data at a speed compatible with machine learning and AI. Now, if you believe that AI and, well, I mean, it just said 75% of enterprise applications are going to be AI driven. And if this is the only product to date that can produce data at the speed capable of running some of these AI and machine learning programs, I mean, they got a big leg up. I certainly find them to be a disruptor in the industry. I kind of see a lot of similarities with Tesla. I feel like they're like the Tesla of this industry, you know, regular cars coming around, blah, blah, blah. And then Tesla comes along with the autonomous driving, electric vehicles, and kind of revolutionizes the industry. Now that's a bold prediction. You know, so, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. You know, please look into it further yourself. But there was a lot of great things that I found about this company. For starters, they're growing 40%. They're growing at a 40% growth year over year, which is great. In 2018, they acquired $1 billion worth of revenue. They have what you call a sticky customer base, okay? That means 70% of their revenue is based off of their pre-existing customers. Another thing that I found interesting was that 70% of their business is domestic in the United States, meaning there's a lot of room for growth overseas, you know, in China, Europe, that kind of thing. They have a very interesting customer base already. Actually, some big customers. 45% of their current customers are Fortune 500 companies. Some of those companies include Domino's, Chevron, Toyota, Mercedes. Potential customers someday could be, you know, Facebook, Amazon, Google. The possibilities are endless. Another interesting thing that I found, and a lot of times I go away from this, was that they spend 20% on R&D. That's research and development. Now, I know, like, a guy like Warren Buffett isn't always big on something like that. He does not usually. He looks for people to keep their revenue, keep their profits. But in the tech world, I feel like that's a little bit different. You got to be looking for the next new thing, looking for the next big thing, evolving and growing with the times. And this company is definitely doing that. You know, they just acquired another big company. The acquisitions that they're making. What really drew me to them was the institutional investors. Now, the institutional investors are ARK Invest and Vanguard are already involved. I saw ARK was buying them last week on my daily email. I get a daily email from the ARK trading desk. If you guys aren't doing that, I advise that you do. It's been very helpful for me. If I see a certain ticker showing up day after day, then I start to look into it and see if it's something that I like, or something, if it's something for me. And if you guys continue to to watch his channel, you'll see how much emphasis we put on executives. So just the fact that Kathy Wood is involved and Vanguard is involved definitely made me raise my eyebrow and start peeling some layers back. Executives, I looked into their CEO. His name is Charlie Giancarlo, very sharp guy. Watched a couple of podcasts with him. It just makes me feel a little bit better and at ease that I watched him for about an hour, watched about a half hour of another. He's a very sharp guy. He has a great vision for his company. He believes in his company. So this certainly fit the criteria that I normally look for in a ticker, which is, you know, strong executives, strong institutional buyers, and a revolutionary product that I believe could be revolutionary in the future, which, you know, the product being Flashblade, by like the CEO, and then the fact that ARK and Vanguard are involved definitely piques my interest. Like and subscribe. You know, these videos do take time. The research takes time to do. So you know, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. I don't understand the business at a you know, enough to feel good about investing a lot of money, but I felt good enough about what I could comprehend and grasp to buy a call option for January 2022. The sell-off during the week made the prices quite cheap, so I got like a call option for January 2022 for like $140. With a strike price of like $20. Right now the ticker's trading at around $15. So I feel pretty good about that. But look into it, see if it's something for you. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.